Alrighty, you guys. Well, I'm getting my restroom done. Today is demolition day. I'm excited about it. The toilet is gone. I'm gonna rip out the vanity and tear up the floors because I'm also getting my plumbing updated and upgraded and all that fun stuff. So moving along here. Toilet up, vanity. Got some. And I realized why the window was like that is because he's going to just use, instead of walking around each and every time to throw something out or what have you, he's just gonna toss it out the window. So that's cool. But yeah, so we're making our way through it. I'll be back. Alright, you guys, we're getting somewhere. Ooh.
So just let them know you got a room 8x5 that you need to right there.
Okay.
So you got about 52.
Okay.
Inches.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. Depending on how close you want your toilet to the vanity.
Right. I see what you're
You
saying.
know, I don't know if you want to be crowd. You'll have room on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Usually you want to leave at least about a foot.
Okay.
From. So you could go 48.
I was thinking about
48 would be perfect.
Okay. Yeah, I probably
48 would be perfect.
Picture, you know, I'm doing my little thing with video. That looks so cool, Jay. Okay. After a hard day. And it's really not Sorry, I just like I'm one of those ones that like to record the process.
Just these little itty bitty nails.
I know, he showed me.
It's terrible. It's almost like they had it tacked up and made sure it was in the right place, and then somebody was going to come along and screw them all in.
And they never did.
Screwed them all in.
Wow. Perfect.
You're listening to Miss Creations on the beat.
Looks really good too. Thanks, guys.
When he ran his vent, cut it about where your right knee is. Cut it about monster. 45 instead of a 90, so it picks up speed. Here's your glue. You're gonna need me at the other end, right? Tap that in. That's why you called in the A-team, right?
It's true.
Miss Creations on the beat.
That's right. Almost.
It's roofing paper. I think it's roofing paper. It's from what my contractor says. It's kind of like whatever that is. It's just. Alrighty guys, so here's the final look. Got the new vanity. Affirmations there, you know. They're inspiring. Alright, decided to keep the current tile in the shower there because I still like it and I'm not tired of it yet, so we'll see how long that lasts. But I changed out the shower head, the knobs, the faucet. You know, excited about this wall because it actually has drywall behind it. You know, it's a lot more sturdier. I don't have to worry about anything falling off the wall. And that is